Let's create a sports poster using our Photoback Sports package. It is sensational. Let's double click our soccer one here, and I'm going to turn off the sample layer, but I am going to leave that layer selected so that when I drag in the photo I want to use, it goes right onto the layer where I need it to be. So it's underneath some of the text, but over the background. I'll resize this image wherever I like, double click, and then I'm going to remove the background using that remove background button in the new contextual taskbar or in your properties panel. Now, this might not do a perfect job, but with sports, we've got a secret weapon, and that's outer glow. Double click your extracted subject, click outer glow in your layer style, and you can just see how that just kind of puts everything where it needs to be because, with sports, you can kind of get away with that, right? Now, all I have to do is maybe adjust the photo to match this template. I'll use my curve adjustment layer here just to make things look a little bit better. And then I'll just double click on layers, like to change her name. It's Kylie. And there you go, a perfect sports poster in seconds that everybody will love.